fuck. I don't know where we're going still, so follow him. That's my motive right this second. Just follow homeboy. Stop and go traffic. It's been this way all fucking day. Hi. Hi. Excited. Oh, I guess we're turning here. Not gonna lie, it's pretty fucking busy in Grand Rapids right now. That's why we're backed up here. This shit is super fucking tight. I don't know what to talk about. We're not really exploring his area because I've been here a couple times. We're just kind of like looking right this second. Gonna hang back a little bit here for now. See what all happens. Another one of those good old fucking tunnel looking thingies called a bridge. I can go underneath them and make big rooms. I love big rooms. This is part of town that I go to all the time for my doctor stuff. I'm not going to talk about my boring ass doctor's appointments, but you know, see what we can see today. That was a pretty good one though, Mac. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah. Although I did forget that we're in town, so in town people are different. We're in rich people town, not normal people town. No. 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 You're not gonna kill switch me, Joey. You darn. Oh darn. Yeah, no. What? Oh, we are? Yeah. Okay. Thanks for letting me know. Damn, that bike sounded good. I like how his whole entire job is to just like sit. Oh, it's not even a guy in that car. hits different. So this is somebody he knows. I'll just sit back on this end. So will y'all.
School.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Fuck. So many student drivers. Is this what living in town is like? Because I don't want it. This just sucks. A red to a yellow to a red. Fuck. Even though they're all gonna be red the whole fucking time we're here. Guaranteed. That's how it always is. It's always red. Man, I feel so outclassed here. Like, everything's so fancy and cool. He's playing music. He always gets to play music. I need a Cena still. Cena, whatever you call it. Wait. I know, I need one.
When do you think about buying one? Because I'm...
Probably tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Probably, yeah. I don't know. The same guy, yeah, I know. I like that.
I was like, oh shit, that sounds good.
I didn't expect that out of the Suzuki. Except we are following a student driver, so get fucked speed limit. Everybody's on their fucking phones. Like, literally, I know we're in town, but fucking hey, people. Phone is not life. See, I remember some of these places, but not like all of them. That's what I look like. Hi. This is Max Town, not my town. I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh, hey, this is from his one video. My god, the fucking road sucks. Why did you go down this road, dude? This road is not gravel, it's brick. Dude, this road sucks. It's so like, this is like a Ninja. I bet it says 300. It's green, motherfuckers. Let's go. I could not live in the city. I'm already getting angry. Sorry if I sound stupid. My fucking nose is clogged, so my talking has been fucky. I'm gonna let him get ahead again. Again, I don't know where we're going, so. Okay, yeah, I'll stop for this one. You can only get so fucking. You only get lucky so many times, but hey. Hey, how's it going? Oh man, I hope my Pepsi that's in my saddlebag hasn't blown up. I don't want to have fucking mango Pepsi everywhere on that damn thing. The blossoms are coming in though, that's pretty cool. Yesterdog. The fuck? Huh. It's a cool little plane. I refuse to take that. If anybody told you Harleys ride like a dream, they fucking lied to you. Well, maybe new ones might, but this old one don't. Wait, that's a fucking flip-flop. Who lost their goddamn flip-flop in the middle of the road? Yep. Those are nice. I like that blue and white one right there. I don't know what lake this is, but it's a fucking lake. How about, I'll look it up later. Collins Park. I don't know what lake's on it, but I'll figure it out. Especially since all I have to do is like look it up after I'm editing. Except he's definitely not going 25. Neither am I, but do as I say, not as I do, like our dear governor. Don't worry, Mac, I'll catch up. You know me, I'm the law-abiding one here. Especially with this cop right there. That was a cop. He's still chilling. We're safe, I hope. No, I don't think he knows where he's going. I think he knows where he's going, but I don't think he knows where he's going. What? Okay. Alright, bye buddy. I don't know where the fuck this is. What is this? What the fuck is this? Is this like a stop? Where is the stop line at? Where's the fucking stop sign at? What the fuck is this? I'm not from here. This is so confusing. There's normally a line somewhere, ain't there? Am I like way back here? I'm so confused. Hell yeah. I see him over there. Oh, fuck. Nice, you went kind of deep with that one. I'm glad he got out of it though. So you're getting the green stuff because it's good, right? Green, good for the environment? That shit?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
It'll offset all the issues this adds to the environment. EPA would have a fucking field day with this fucking bike. Look at this. Greasy.
Nice.
I got the Harley oil leak, but it's because I put zero effort into putting that gasket on.
I feel it. I feel it.
I got room, don't worry, I know this bike. My rear tire's gonna be slick after driving the diesel.
Oh. Just do a burnout.
So,
again.
I'll be doing drifts. You fucking asshole. It's like,
Gentle ride van as it fucking shakes. His. No way.
The soles of my boots are probably melting right now.
Why, diesel? Not fucking diesel. No. No. Oh. You just kind of skidded. You just went.